Why AI will never kill your small business, okay? If you do this one thing, here we go. So everyone's all freaking out about AI, and you should because it's no joke. But I don't think we have to be afraid of it. I'm a small business owner, so are you. But hey, like, subscribe, and comment section below here, and let me know. Do you use AI, and what do you think? Because I think a lot of people are crapping themselves because it is taking a lot of jobs away. But for the small business owner, is it? So here we go. It's, algorithm fatigue phenomena, and that is in 2026 now, people are tired of talking to bots, right? I mean, they do help, but here we go. Large corporations are automating everything, but small business like yours and mine, okay, it's human to human. So today, that's our edge. This is why AI can't take away our small business if we pay attention to these things, right? Personalization at scale versus real relationships. Okay. AI can guess what a customer wants, but it doesn't know them, right? You and me, our small business, we know our customers. We know their names. We know their kids. We know their ages. We know where they live. We know, what they like, what they don't like in an intimate human to human way. AI can't do that. We can shake their hand. We can give them a hug. We can send them a letter handwritten from us. There's something in that. It's the trust premium, it's called. So in a world of deep fakes and fake reviews and fake news, authenticity, human to human, eye to eye, that is the new gold. It's the new platinum. It's the new diamonds. So when a customer hires us locally, they're not only buying the service or the product, but they're buying us a peace of mind to know, like, I know this person, I shook their hand. That means everything. Speed and agility is another one. Small businesses can pivot on a dime, in a day, in a minute, in a second. Big corporations with AI can't. So if a new trend hits, at a local event or down the road or in our county, you and me, we can reach out and it can be instant. So you don't have the legal department looking through the AI update or whatever, right? But we can also, and we have to use AI because AI helps me out. I mean, I have a tennis business and an entertainment business where we provide DJs and video and stuff. And so, like, it's not don't use AI. It's that it can't take our business from us if we concentrate on personalization, making that phone call. Hey, just confirming verbally versus automated text or something like that, or an email. You know what I mean? Sending a thank you card, right? But AI can help with that. So AI can help and tell our customers, about scheduling and things like that, or bookkeeping or events going on or updates, but it's using the AI, interweaving it, threading a needle. I use AI when we DJ to help curate music and to mix music, where years ago I would have to do that. Now AI does that. But I'm still there as the DJ, and I grab my microphone and I walk out into the dance floor and I interact with people. Hey, you know the lyrics of the song. Hey, you, hey, you. AI can never do that. A robot could technically do that, but it's not a human. You know what I'm saying? We as humans were meant to connect with humans. We're meant to do that high five, that fist pump, that, hey, congratulations, or to sit down with the accountant or sit down with the lawyer. See, that's the thing. We have to make that extra time to go old school, to make that phone call. Hey, Mrs. Jones, it's me, the landscaper, me, the, whatever, the lawyer, the doctor, the tutorer, the tennis coach. When people ask me for tennis lessons and they say, oh, do you have software where I can just see availability? I could do that. I can have AI do that, but I don't. I say, no, you just text me, and they're texting me, or give me a phone call. And that's customer retention. They see that, wow, I care enough to make that small, but so crucial. So I mean, how would you feel, right? If, I don't know, you own an ice cream shop or you own a tailor place, dry cleaners, whatever it is, would you want, an automated robot like, hello, how are you? Thank you. Whatever. Or would you want your barista that does your coffee in the morning at Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks or that coffee shop? Would you want, there's robots that can do it. Can I take your order? Thank you. Bye. Have a good day. Or would you want, hey, how are you, John? How's it going? Yeah, I'm all right. Good to see you again. Hey, man, yeah, see you next week or see you tomorrow. Good to see you. Hey, tell your mom I said hi. Like, sorry, AI can't do that in a way that's authentic. AI could do that technically, right, with robotics. Tell your mom I said hello, or even AI could probably and can do it with a human flair too, but it's just not a human, and humans know this. So there's something about that interaction, that granular nature of us. As good as AI is, and robotics should be used, and AI should be used, and has to be used, and must be used, and robotics too. But there's something about a small business owner that, if you're trying on a shoe, I'm coming out to greet you. Hey, happy holidays, and I'm going to put that on you. And we feel, we touch, we smell, we hear, we're sensory, robots and AI can do the technical features of those things, but not the granular subtleties. And this is why you and me as small business owners, if we understand that, we go back to the old school. We can't be beat by AI or robotics. Never, ever. Because of that. Humans need humans. Period. We're made for each other. And we're made to have robots, and we're made to have AI as great, great assistants that do a lot of work. But that handshake, that, hey, how are you? I can see you, touch you, smell you. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's that subtlety that just AI and robots will never be able to do. And that's a beautiful thing, because we can have everything together, AI, robotics, and us humans. That's why. You and me, the humans. What do you think? Comment section below. Huh? Okay. I'm out of here, and you got this. Like, subscribe.